everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a nail supply haul for you guys, so let's go ahead, jump right in and check out the goodies that I purchased. So I went to two beauty supplies here in Orlando. I went to Sunny's, which y'all hella freaking little and not really much to offer, but I did like the things that I get, or that I did get from there rather. And then I also went to Dustin's, the biggest nail supply store here in Orlando. Also, guys, if you have not checked out my last video, go ahead, I'm gonna link it here. Check out the fall plaid nails I did on my client. They came out so beautiful using some neutral colors, so make sure you guys check that out as well. So I will be starting with a Sunny's nail supply and what I got from there. I got a little bag. I didn't really get too many items from there. Like I said, it wasn't really much to offer. So in total, I spent $29.82. So I got some Christmas snowflakes. So I got blue, green, and silver. And then here I have gold and silver. So these were super cute, super excited to get them. Then I purchased some new Cuticle Bits. So this is a burl top. Not really sure. I'm trying to make up names and I really don't even know. So I just know that it is super small to get in those creases. So I really did like using the bit that I got from Hot Tips. I can't think of the name right now, but I'm gonna put it down here so that you guys can go check it out for yourself. So I bought two of those. I also got a drill bit cleaner. And then I also got some liquid skin protector. So if you nick your client at Bunny's, we had this as well as the powder. There I was using the powder, but I didn't like how it made it look. So I bought this and I wanted to try it out. So these, this was $1.50. These were $5 each. And then this was $5 as well, and $5 as well. So that is all that I purchased from Sunny's. And then this big old bag I purchased from Dustin's. So at Dustin's I spent a total of $60.55. So I bought soak off bowls. These were $3.99 each. Feel like they should sell them in a pack or together. I bought two sterilized plates. I seen someone on TikTok say that they use these to keep their implements and all of their tools on while they're servicing the clients, and I just really thought that that was a great idea. So I went and purchased two of them. They are $5.95 each. I bought two more nippers. These are size 14, ultra sharp, and the brand is My Nippers Excellence Professional Nails. These were $6 each. I bought some more black not polish 2-in-1 acrylic. I used to have one, but when I was working in that suite back in Kansas City, I allowed my suite mate to borrow it, and apparently she never gave it back. I also need to get a solid white one too, because the only other white acrylic I have is the Speed White from Young Nails, and I'm not too much of a huge fan of it, but if I have to use it, I will. I also got some blooming gel. This is, I'm not really sure who LB is, but this is what they gave me. This was behind the counter of Dustin's, so they just gave me whatever. This was $7. And then I also got some really cute glitters for Christmas as well. And these were 99 cents each. So this is a really quick haul video of everything I got from the nail supply store. I want to go back again because, like I said, I need that that solid white powder. I also am looking for a translucent pink for one of my clients that loves getting dip. So normally we use SNS on her. That's what we used at Bunny's, and she followed me from Bunny's, so I don't have the powder that she really likes getting. So I've been trying to find it in the store and have not had any type of luck. So I might have to order it off of line, but I just don't want to order one item. I'm that type of person that, like, if I go into a grocery store and I need just one item, or I just only find one item that I want to purchase, and I get to that line and see how long that line is, I'm like, yep, nope, not getting it. It's not worth it. So I just haven't been able to find it in store yet, so I'm gonna have to purchase it off online. I also want to place a Amazon order. I'm still messing around with it. It's some other bits that I want to purchase. I want to purchase a Kiara Sky size 10 brush that they have for $40 on there. I want to order a silicone mat as well, so I can keep from my clients forcing, or, like, you know, putting their weight and they're bringing their hands super close to me, so it makes me have to go like this, and then every once in a while I have to you know, correct everything, put the dental bill back where it needs to go, the armrest where it needs to go. So hopefully I can get that purchased really soon, so that that can help with that. And then I also think I want to order a new nail lamp, because the desk lamp that I have now, it's like, it doesn't truly go on the desk. It has like a little thingamabob to where you can clamp it onto the side of the desk, and the way that the desks are set up, I can't perfectly put it on the side. I have to put it like basically right in front of me and maneuver it to make it fold over. I can give you guys an in-depth view of how my space is looking if you like. Or I can show you, because I'm sure once I did the update last time, it didn't really show all of that, or maybe it's updated and changed a little bit since then. So definitely leave a comment down below if you would like me to do a more thorough view or in-depth video about how I have my desk set up at this new salon. Then also I have so many nail process videos to show you guys. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to upload them and you guys see everything that I have been doing. So that is going to wrap up today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see next on my channel. If there's any type of nail art that you want me to do, definitely leave a comment down below and I can get that into the schedule for you guys. Make sure you share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all continue to grow and learn together. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at DivaMePlz, and also consider subscribing to my channel. I did a poll and you guys do want me to upload every month or at least 2 times a week. Probably keeping it on Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm also thinking about moving it to Wednesdays and Saturdays or Wednesdays and Sundays. What do you guys think? I'm gonna do another poll to see what you guys think, so make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that and interact with me. I really enjoy messaging you guys or responding to you guys' comments. It is so much fun and I like getting to know you guys as well. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Woo! That's so exciting. I'm hoping to reach it by the end of the year, but if not, by the end of January. So fingers crossed. Let's make sure we get to this, guys. So until next time, bye.